I assume you already know from the title that I'm doing a thrift flip this week. Halloween edition. This is my first thrift flip ever that I've attempted, and I'm super excited about it. I've already made them. They're already sitting there. But I'm not gonna show you yet because what's the fun in that? You gotta see for yourself. You gotta explore with me. You gotta go on the journey. Okay, journey to the Halloween with me. I don't know. Do the journey with me. It's okay. For this challenge, I found these awesome candle holders at my local thrift store, and whoops. That's better. So for today's thrift flip, I found these awesome candle holders at the thrift store, and they're $4 each. These were so cool and just different. I'd never seen anything like them ever, that I just decided to get them. So I spent $8 total on the actual candle holder. I purchased these skeletons, which I'll show you here. And what I did is I just repurposed a bunch of items that I had around the house already. So that's what you're gonna see in this, and that's why I was able to keep it under $10, the entire thing, including the $8 that I spent on the actual item. I spent probably about $9.50. what do we think? I think they turned out super cute. They're very weird. Don't get me wrong. But isn't all art weird? I think they turned out so good. So strange. I mean, I don't know. I did not have a plan going in like I probably should have. So it just kind of turned out how it did. And I used different little ghosts. So let me tell you the story of this little ghost. This little ghost here was the piece of my friend Brittany. Hey Brittany. Her aunt had a bunch of Halloween stuff, and when we were living together, this came off of, it broke off of something else, and we rigged it together into this really weird looking but cool looking flower centerpiece. And it broke in storage because I've moved like 3 times since then, and so I couldn't use any more. So that a lot of the pieces that I used for this, like the flowers and things like that, were from that little bouquet. So, which came from the dollar store, by the way. So even if I had bought these things brand new, I probably only would have spent like $1 or $2 extra on them. So just in case you're thinking about doing something similar. But this little ghost here is this little piece of wood. I'll show you the before and I'll show you the after. And I painted him white, like with 1,000 coats, because that orange and black would not get covered up even though I sandpapered it and everything. So I painted it with like 100 coats of paint. I'm just now realizing I didn't put a top coat of any sort on it, but whatever, who cares. Glued it down with some E6000, and here you go. I drew some little eyes on it with pasta, by the way. Tell me what you think about this. And then I thought everyone knew this hack, but apparently everyone doesn't know this hack. So this cute little ghosty right here, he was made with cheesecloth. So you just mix this with however much water you want, up to maybe like half. So you like half of this, half that. And then you mix it up real good, dip your cheesecloth section into it, place it over your little covered thing, and it'll dry that way. If you would like, I can make a tutorial on that. Just let me know in the comments if that's something you would want to see. I actually thought that everyone knew how to do this, but apparently not everyone does. So let me know if that's something that you guys would like to see a tutorial for. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this craft idea. Did you hate it? Do you love it? Do you think I just should have spray painted the whole thing orange? Let me know what you think down in the comments. I would love to hear you guys' opinions. Maybe opinions on other crafts I should try. Maybe there's something that you've been too scared to try and you think that I should do it for you. Let me know. Thanks for watching. See ya.